All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I'm your host, Resident Day Trader, and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan, and we're live. It is Monday, April 29th, and the market is looking good, especially for a long trader like me. Of course, there's no guarantees what the market will do. I've had plenty mornings where the market trended up in the morning and looked strong and then sold off the whole rest of the day. So either way, we're going to be patient and we're going to see if the market gives us our setup. And if not, we're just going to sit on hands and hang out. What's up, Ben? Good morning. Good to see you as always, man. How's small cap world looking, man? I think we're looking pretty good over here in the big caps. Also, please, guys, hit that like button on your way in. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And man, hey, what's up, Michael? Good to see you, bro. So just gonna stick to the plan, man. There's no reason to wonder what setups to take or what trades to make, because all the criteria is already written out. The setup is here. We're looking for it to trade above the opening range. We're looking for a higher high, higher low at VWAP and HVS. Not looking. We're looking if it has a big topping tail or shows signs of a lot of selling pressure by way of large green candles or an aggressive pullback. We're gonna let that one go. If it starts consolidating, we're gonna wait for the next higher high, higher low to break out of that. And if it's below yesterday's close, we're not messing with it. And if there is any form of lower high or lower low, which is the first sign of a downtrend, we're staying away from it. And as simple as that, man. What's up, Signature Trading? Good to see you, man. Yes, sir. A couple minutes left to the open. Gonna be a good employee today. That's what's up, man. Hey, Ben, just stick to the plan, man. Got to keep that batting average high, man. I had a good week last week, but I uploaded my whole last month into TradeZilla, and yeah, the month wasn't good, but the last week was good. We're gonna have a better month of May, God willing, inshallah. Yeah. But yeah, man, this is what I got going on today. I'd say I was most excited about, as far as the dailies, I really liked AMD. I really like Pan W actually, but it's hard to tell because it doesn't really trade. It's not trading anything pre-market. I think Crowd has some really good potential, which is like really jumping up in the last couple minutes. Whoa, Signature Trading. That's what's up, man. That sounds awesome. I'm great, man. I'm very optimistic as usual. I'm excited. I'm hopeful. I'm determined. Yeah, man, I just want to execute the strategy, man. I feel good about and there's the open. I feel good about realizing that I don't really need to wonder when I should take a setup. You know, I feel like that was always kind of a stress. Like, do I take it or do I not? But in reality, it's just, does it check the boxes and are there any disqualifiers present? And if there isn't, just take the trade. And if there are those things, then it's easy. Just don't take it. You know? So, I feel good. I feel good. Of course, I felt good every morning I sat down, and I've had some terrible days. But I think I'm getting better at staying focused. And I believe in my plan more each and every day. So it's looking good, man. What you got going on, Signature? You looking at anything specific this morning? Hey, yo, Michael, man, how'd you do this morning, bro? What's the deal on the was it the futures? That's what you trade, right? Futures. Yeah. Futures. How'd you do, man? Alright, let's go in here. ARM had a nice open. Hey, my man. My man. In the bag. Yes, sir. One week in Cali. Kauai? Where is that? Is that Hawaii? Man.
BIDU.
Baidu is looking nice. I might have to swap somebody out. Like maybe Nvidia. Nvidia's kind of lagging below yesterday's close or previous day's close. Pan W looking super strong. Apple looking super strong. Man, Pan W's looking great. It looks, I mean, it looks too great. Like, it probably not going to give us a good way to get into it. I hope so, man. I'm gonna try to. I lowered my my max loss, man. I was looking at my last month, man. I had a lot of big losers and not enough big winners. Like a lot of days where my losses were bigger than my winners, so I adjusted my max loss down to 3R. So hopefully I can mitigate that issue. But SPY hasn't thrown a red candle yet. It's looking like Apple and Pan W as far as the relative strength goes, and Baidu, man. I got Baidu up on my other chart. TSM, I don't need to watch that. Let's go ahead. Yeah, Baidu, man. Things looking right. Hey, what's up, Mammoth Trading? Good to see you. Yeah, that's it, man. And I've been noticing that. Although it's like the market has also been more in my favor lately as well, but hopefully it's both of us are improving, me and the market. I always forget to set my 10-minute timer, but ALAB. Man, Apple is like straight up. What you got going on, Mammoth?
Go in. BIDU.
Man. Yeah, I mean, Baidu looked interesting. This little setup is always tempting to me, but not exactly what I'm looking for. All right, Tesla breaking up. Nah, absolutely, man. Bruh, Ben, that's what I was saying, man, this morning, that the more clear you get with your criteria to take a trade, you don't have to worry about how you feel as much. You know what I mean? Like, I always get in the part where I'm in a place where I'm like, I feel like I should take it, or maybe the chart is telling me I should take it, but I feel hesitant. But really, man, if you just have your plan very specific, it's black and white instead of gray. And it's like, no, I definitely should trade right now because this, and this is here. Or no, I'm not trading until this, and this happens. You know what I mean? So, yeah, bro. If you're supposed to wait till the pullback, then for sure, you don't trade until the pullback. Yeah, I'm really liking Pan W. I mean Apple right now. It's really, man. Everything on my chart had a good daily, and I mean everything on my watch screen had a good daily, and traded well the last couple days last week, and opened up near or above previous day's close or previous day's high. So really, I'm just looking for the morning price action to look how I want it to look, and I don't see anything just yet. I don't see anything. Try a shop. Minus 70 cent a share. Ooh, that's no good. Man, yeah, shop is diving. On ain't looking bad. On Semiconductor, I ain't even heard of them. Need a pullback though. Yeah, see, everything's kind of fading. Pan W all the way back down. Only thing still showing relative strength is Tesla and Apple. Dang, Ben, that's pretty pessimistic of you there. You don't have to go red. It's just that, probabilities. I guess probabilities. You gotta holding your breath for your next red day. But no, bro, your strategy is highly accurate. So you shouldn't feel anxious about that. You gotta, in order for the data to really be true, you have to take all your setups. Yeah, bro, that's cool. That's cool, man. That shouldn't make you anxious. That should make you feel confident. And just take your setups. You're not risking a lot right now. So everything right now is data. So keep taking your setup so you can keep, stacking up that data. What is going on here on Baidu. Yeah, bro. I don't know if I should expect more out of Baidu. 107.07. Market is falling, man. Nvidia's really tanking. Here's the market up here. Man, Amazon's crashing. Only thing really looking good is Tesla. It's a big nasty red candle on Tesla though. It's not really on much volume though. Tesla's setting up kind of nice. I might be obliged.
AAPL.
Man, Apple just... Apple was that one. But... no pullback. No entry. See, this is where I feel like I need to add something else to my playbook, like a opening range breakout or something, because I gotta be able to catch some of these, man, where they just run off. Or not. This could just be a great day of discipline. Of just chilling out. Not doing anything crazy. What's up with Zom? I heard they got bad earnings. No? Wow. Well, I'm not sure. I don't know. I saw something in this market brief newsletter that I get every morning, but I kind of just glanced over it and I thought I saw something about bad earnings. So I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, that thing's going off right now.
IP.
Kind of a nice setup on the daily. What was that? IP.
ROKU. AAPL.
Tesla just keep breaking out over and over again. Yo, I really want to try this Tesla right here. This would be like a tweezer setup, but I would feel better about waiting for it to make a higher high and then see if it can come back and test my level. Man, we might just be chilling today, y'all. I don't see nothing. Man, Man, Tesla look good right here though. Yeah, I would want to see a higher high first, which I don't know. Market is downtrending. Yeah.
ALB.
Man. ALB. Ooh, that would have been nice. IBRX. Why didn't you want to trade this? Shoot. I don't know, Ben. It sounds like you in your feelings this morning, man. Got to get out them feelings and get in the playbook, get in the rule book. Off the bounce. This is long to the long side. They kind of had an insane rejection of 74. I would imagine the RSI is looking pretty wild right now. And the market is catching a little bounce too. Yep, man, I'm glad I didn't take that on Tesla, boy. Only long. Let's see what you got going on here, Signature. Man, I'm just worried about this market, man. It's looking quite bearish at the moment. No, sound like you got a decent entry though. Get back up to VWAP. Somewhere close to 73 at least. Hopefully. God did pull up on earlier. This actually. This actually would have been a cool entry right here. Yeah, I mean, this shows where the support is. Yeah. I kind of like on. This is kind of a late to the game play. But yeah, I already got that lower high right there. So, but if I would have seen it right here, I probably would have tried it. I just the market, man. The market's going down right now, so I would expect everything else to follow, which it seems like it's doing. Even Apple's pulling back now. Yeah. Ben, you really sound like you don't want to trade today, bro. You could take a day off, bro. You had a good week, man. You sound like the feelings are strong today. Yeah, bro. It's looking like one of them days. I don't know. This might be the first ever non-trade day on stream. Yeah, lower low on. Yeah, nah. Now it's got to do a lot of stuff to qualify. Yeah, Apple's just so far up for me now. I don't know. I mean, maybe 175 looks cool. Seems like it's got some support there. But I don't know. I'd have to have something else lined up at 175 to make me feel okay about that. Actually, it is a no. Yeah, that's. What's this? 173.13. 176.03. Yeah, I mean 175 would be a decent retracement for that, for Apple. Maybe 174.50. Yeah, it's just too high for me. I just missed it. It didn't want to take me with today. Yeah, that thing's up high. Look like it's ready for the shorts to roll around. Big topping tail. Amazon looks like it's trying to find the bottom. But I don't have any bottom bottom dips in my playbook right now. Market could bounce. This could be a higher low for the market though. And then we could go make a higher high, get back over 510 and do something strange for a little piece of change. Yeah, it ain't popping today, man. The scanner's not calling anything out. ALB done fell off. Man, I could have possibly tried this one too. I would have been mad. Coin. Ah, man, I had coin up this morning too. Ah, okay. What'd that shop do? Okay, you still in shop? Shop looking cool. If you didn't have your stop too tight, I'd imagine your stop would have had to have been somewhere down in here, or at least under this candle. Uh-oh, did I let go of NVIDIA on my watch too fast? No, not yet. Let me put it back up here just in case. Alright, getting a little pump in the market here. Amazon did in fact find a bottom. Got higher low bottoms on a few things. ARM, NVIDIA. Maybe Pan W's next. No, Pan W is looking relatively weak right now. Right. But I don't know, the slow steady moves up and the healthy pullbacks are easier to trade than the ones that are just going straight up.
ROKU.
Cause you know it's gonna be a lot of profit taken at once. As soon as you get that first sign of selling pressure, everybody's gonna start selling. And you don't know where you might get out. Apple with the most chill pullback ever. Yeah, the SPY does look a little bouncy. I will say that. Everything's bouncing. I'm going to be a little tempted to take Apple around 174.75. Open 741. 74.
ROKU.
Like 174.80.
CARR.
Man, look at Roku.
MET. OM.
Alright, bro. I was watching shop. I was wondering if you were still in that thing. Oh yeah, man. Back up to VWAP. What you gonna do? Nice trade, bro. So the question is, are you gonna take profit at VWAP, or are you trying to ride it up even more? Because VWAP is getting rejected. I don't want to influence any of your decisions, but they say VWAP is a good place to at least take some profit when you buy long underneath for a reversal. Yeah, man, that shop trade was nice. Oh, man. Whew. Oh, on your first trade on shop, that 70 cents a share. I hope you went back in with the same risk. Hey, man, that's solid, bro. Make back that L. IBRX. Sure did. Right back to this top right here, too. It's not looking bad. You talking about Apple signature? I don't know. I would expect it to come back down a little more. It's way up. Either come back down some more or consolidate. With the market going up, though, I mean, it's got a lot of relative strength. So it really could. With the market moves up from here, it could never come back down. Man, here goes Pan W heading back up towards VWAP and HVS. If that thing makes a nice move up and then comes back down to test, I would definitely like to take Pan W. Yeah, that's how I feel about it. I'd like to see Apple back around 174.80 to 174.50,
AAPL.
somewhere in that range. But you took some profit on it already? Signature? AMD looks good right there. Sure does. If it wasn't below the range. definitely see some nice reversals that unfolded here. Nvidia reversal was nice. Yeah, Roku had a nice day. Yeah. Oh, AMD still on 2 minute, 1 minute. That's why. What's this with AMD? Previous day high? Yeah. No, let it run, huh? Man, I'm really liking AMD right here, but it's below the opening range, so that's an easy no. There goes Nvidia. I think Pan W is probably the best opportunity going right now, assuming it trades up. Makes a nice move up over 300 and then back down. DPZ. Pizza. Domino's Pizza. Yeah. See, you got your eye on these reversals. Well, the SPY went ahead and moved up. This might be the time for AMD. Right there above 159. Domino's Pizza. Yep, and W done fell out. I like Amazon, man. I mean, as far as a reversal, I like AMD and Amazon right now. If I was gonna play a reversal, I would pop in right over to this candle. Try to ride that thing back up to VWAP.
AAPL.
Well, Apple ain't playing today. Let's see. Catch this puppy right up to there. Boop. I think AMD's gonna go 2 over 159.
An LFD.
Yep. So I'm saying I need to add a few more things to my playbook. I just don't have the data to support
OM.
Maybe I could do like less risk on those types of plays. Like those could be the plays I risk $10 on. And then my super good setup plays are the ones I can do a full R. Like that pullback was enough for Apple. Yeah, Amazon's looking cool for the moment. AMD popped up over 159. What's on doing? On went back down and tested yesterday's close and is now making a higher high. On doesn't really have a great daily range though. It's not really a reason to expect it to do anything else, but it could go up there to pre-market high, which is 70.94. That's a possibility. All right, shop. Signature trading in his bag today. I see you. You gonna move that stop loss up there, buddy? Take some profit or something. Nah, let me stop. You got it, bro. You got it, man. DPZ. DPZ looking a little laggish. Yeah, that Amazon trade's turning around. That Amazon paper trade. Yeah, I think that AMD was that one. Guess we'll find out soon. If that thing make it up to 160. What is this though? Yeah, no. 159. Yeah, it's about $1 stop. We'll need that thing to go up quite a bit though to make that worthwhile. That's a wide range entry there. It's not a great entry at all. Tesla making a move back up to the top of its opening range. Could be interesting. Okay, here comes Apple falling back down.
CZR. OM.
Yep, I was just saying that. Okay.
SLNO.
ON might be worth watching. I think I'm gonna swap Baidu. Swap on for Baidu. Cause I think on. I don't know. It might be moving a little too aggressively there. Red 37. Oh man. You follow your rules though? Your strategy red or you red? If your strategy's red, it's all good, bro. It's just data. Take a screenshot. Make some notes. If it's you, it's a win too, cause your strategy's good. There's good in everything, man. There's good in everything. All right, Apple is back down to VWAP.
COSD.
But I don't know if there's another real support for this thing, because 176, because now we got a lower high. Yeah, I would agree with that, Ben. You just kind of seem to have a whole negative thing going with your whole trading today. Okay, so Apple came back down to the whole dollar. You can't really consider the whole dollar a setup, but we got a lower high, lower low, first sign of downtrend. Can't trade that yet. Man, it just ain't really much of nothing to trade right now. This is Apple's first tap to VWAP, but it's clearly a lower low. Bruh, something has definitely changed. The fact that I have not taken a trade thus far, I'm telling you, y'all, I would have been in 4, 5, 6 trades by now. like last month, I would have been in at least 3 trades, maybe even 4. Okay, that Amazon trade is still looking good. Okay, it's got some volume pumping in here at CAUD. You trading that, mammoth, or you just watching it? What is this low here? 59. Got a 1 cent lower low double bottom action here. I'm telling you, Michael, something has changed. All right. Yep, that AMD and that Amazon paper trade I was eyeballing in my head, both of them went off. Amazon was the only one with a really good risk to reward as far as the trigger candle. This AMD one will still need to go all the way up to at least 161 to make it actually worth trading. But I like being able to identify that pop. Now Apple here, this narrow range candle is looking pretty cool. Pop back over 175, but it's still got that lower high, lower low, so can't mess with that. Tesla looks interesting. It's back within the opening range, testing the top side of it. Market might be turning around, man. Need to look for some confirmations. Wow, Nvidia's almost back to the high of day, which is the opening range candle. It's not like it moved up anywhere. Hey, you guys, while we're chilling, man, if you could tap that like button for me, I'd super appreciate it. Helps get the channel on news feeds like y'all's, and gets more cool people in here to hang out with us, man. On is looking pretty strong. I don't know. Pretty strong might be an overstatement. Just called it out on the scanner.
CARR.
CARR. No volume today. Yeah, Domino's looked like it was fading, bro. $5.10.86. It's still holding though. It's not like completely falling through the floor, but yeah, I don't know. There's no reason to. This could be a higher low over there. 510.86. 511.45. It's still 42. Okay, now it's dipping. Okay. Alright, yeah, now I'd be a little worried.
TOST.
Bro, don't hold the bag, man. Don't hold the bag. Okay, on went on and made a high of day. And see, on is moving up while the market is moving down. That's a nice sign there. I was looking at this volume that came in on, and I was thinking on this candle right here that if it trades above that candle, could get a squeeze, and then it squoze. But alright, market's just back to VWAP. Yep, Apple kept going low. Man, boy, it's nice when you stay out of a trade and it does what you was worried about it doing. Yep, Amazon went all the way up to VWAP, made a higher high, and this could be a higher low. Oh, bro.
CZR.
Signature. What's the shop doing? Bruh.
TOST.
Man. Sorry to hear that, my guy. But you live. You live to trade another day. You got the shot position going for you. I'm just really hoping that this market is getting ready to push up some more with this bottoming tail over here. If this is a sign of bullishness and we can break above that and make a new high of day, I think your shot position could save you a bit. Yeah, for sure. It is definitely trading. Okay. Wow, SMCI ended up having a day. Don't say it's my wife. Yep. I was hesitant to tell mine about this channel, man. I didn't want her checking up on me. Thankfully, she popped in Friday when we was up 7R, so that was cool.
SLNO.
One share. IBRX. 909. Hey, it's pumping.
AMD.
Stopped out of shop. Not bad, not bad. This was the candle right here, man. 73.11. Nah, not bad though. That's not much higher than where we're at now. Good trade there, sir. Yep, AMD still pushing up. On looks interesting right here, man. Got some good levels behind it. Testing back this high of day. It's been moving up while the market's moving down, and the market looks like it's about to move up. This looks like a good trade. Out red 3 cent, not bad, bro. Good management on your wrist there. Man. Yep, it's not the play though. Interesting to talk about though. On over 69.90. It already tapped over that. Got this volume on it. I don't know. This selling volume is pretty tough right here. Had to get over 70 probably will be your most ideal entry for that. Got this 5-minute candle right here though. I don't know. Nvidia testing the top of that range. Yeah, this might be a good one for on right here. I'm not taking it, but Tesla ended up falling down. Apple still hasn't recovered. AMD paper trade still going well.
TOST.
TOST. Toasty. What was that? IBRX. Man, you be so aggressive, but you be so. Oh, you're micro scalping though, so I understand. You gotta be aggressive. But
CARR.
should have been aggressive on this green candle right here, bro. How you? Hold on, man. Oh, you okay? So you're out red. This is your red 3 cent. Is you making money from being red 37 cent? Okay, right. So you made 24 cent on that one. I don't see how you could be red on this trade. Yeah, so you put something in the bank on that trade. Well done there, Ben, sir. Yeah, okay, I got you. Alright, you gonna get back in right here?
ON.
Right here over this 941.
ROKU.
Got that lining up at that top. Yeah, bro, that Amazon and that AMD was the move right there. It was pretty clear. Double bottom here, then higher high, higher low at support. I think both of these was pretty clear. It looked like on is gonna go too. I don't know. Maybe I should have been a little more aggressive today. You just want to have a red day. Yeah, I think on over 70 looks great. 50 cent stop. Man, I really would like to take it. I would like to trade something today. I think this is a good setup. It's been building on itself very well. $0.50 stop up to 71. I think that's pretty reasonable, yo. Pretty reasonable. I feel like I'm being scary. I don't like that. Like, like I'm not letting my instincts play any role today. I don't know how I feel about that. I guess it's necessary, but
MET.
Yeah, I mean, I did not take any strategy trades. I just didn't have anything lined up for me today, but these are the kind of days where I feel like I need to have one other play in my playbook, because like I really like this Amazon entry right here, because we had a really aggressive sell-off to yesterday's close, and then
CZR.
a double bottom, and then we made a little high here and a higher low here, and I thought this was a good entry candle, and yeah, it's been doing great. And same with AMD down here, except for the entry candle was like ridiculously wide range, so I would have been
CZR.
desperately looking to add, which could have been right here at the retest of my entry level, 159. So yeah, I don't know, man, but I definitely think this is a total win for discipline. I got 25 minutes left on my trading window, and I just don't see anything great. I think I was just being a little scary about this on trade, though, because I think you got plenty of reasons to take this, but you also got plenty of reasons not to take it. It's already pretty much moved a large range. But man, it moved over this high volume day. Yeah, that's enough reasons not to take that puppy. Now I hope it fails so I don't feel bad about not taking it. That's good, man. That's I really wanted you to take them trades that lined up with your setups. You know, you got to do that. Got to do that. Ooh, man, this Nvidia. This Nvidia looks good right here too. Got this higher high, kind of retest of this level here, but it's underneath yesterday's close, so can't take that one. Specifically, can't take that one. I think Apple's probably retraced enough and consolidated enough to be ready for another run. But I mean, honestly, it's moved up. I mean, you could really say that this has made its move for the day, and doesn't really need to. There's no reason to assume that it'll keep moving up. And the SPY's turning around. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I don't know. Market's back to 510 in VWAP. Nvidia back to VWAP, but still under yesterday's close and the opening range. Yeah, I got nothing, bro. I don't think it's popping today, man. Yeah, the SPY's coming back down, man, through VWAP. Ooh, look at that nastiness. Lower high on the day, and now we're breaking down. Huh. Red 1K. Ending greens 256. Yeah. Yeah, that's quite a swing there, sir. Man, look at On. On worked out, man. On look like it's working out. This entry that I really wanted real bad right here. It looks like it's working out. Let's see. If I took that trade, this would be a 40-cent stop, so I would need 80 cents out of it. So we get to 71, 70, 71. Yeah, that's not a good one right there, man. I mean, unless your average is like, well, it depends the ratio. It depends on the ratio for sure. All right. Nvidia might be making that bounce at VWAP. Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, you got some wiggle room, between your winning ratio or your profit ratio and your batting average.
NEP.
So if your batting average is super high, you can afford to have a lower profit ratio. If your batting average is low, then you need a higher profit ratio to make it make sense.
ON.
Yeah, that's a lot, bro. Ideally, you want to have a high win ratio and a high profit ratio. I think that's the best strategy to build. Man, look at that on trade, yo. See, all I ever want to see is price build on itself. So, like, we had this nice area right here that was created. All these taps. And then we broke above and retested right there. And so now it's trading above. So yeah, this was a nice little thing right here. But it's cool. Yeah, basically if this thing gets to, if it gets to 71, pre-market high 70.94. If it gets up there, Tesla. Let's check out Tesla. Let's see here. 184.54. 184.91. Well, we got kind of a higher low double bottom over here, which is good. If we make a higher high, if we get back over 189, I would totally, if it makes a new high of day, or really just a higher high and comes back down to this level here where my blue line is at, I would get in. But I don't know if I wouldn't get in before then. For me, I'd be worried about a double top right here and a double top right here. So, I mean, it depends how much you would want to get out of it. A break over 189 could definitely get you up to well through 190. I mean, you could take 189 and possibly get back to high of day. Pre-market high 192.50. Yeah, I mean, it looks bullish. It hasn't really been relatively strong much of the day though. But as of right now, it looks like a nice move up.
SLNO.
Yeah, for sure. But when they do come back and test that entry point, that's a good spot to add. Yeah, I don't want to buy green. I want to buy the red. Like this is where you start looking to buy right here on this pullback. You don't want to buy this because it's got to pull back now. You know, it's only going to go up so long before it pulls back. And yeah. All right, man, that's cool though. Nice little call out though. On.
RDDT.
I felt this one in my bones that I should take this trade, man. I could feel it. Like, oh, you got to take that one, man.
ON.
Look at that, bro. I'm proud of myself, though.
SLNO.
Okay, Tesla making a higher high right there. Kind of getting knocked back down, though. Got some scanners waking up a little bit. Yeah. What's that? 121.94. Double top right there. Man, for sure. For sure. AMD still look like it's gonna keep pushing up. Amazon kind of fell back down. Yeah, this isn't good. This is a high volume rejection of previous high over here. Can't really mess with that. Oh, wow. I thought about putting Boeing up today, man. I sure did. Dang. Dang. I looked at it too, man. Why didn't I want to take Boeing? Oh, this big red candle on the daily. I was like, And then I think I was looking at the daily range, only being like $1.50. But sheesh. I bet this is a setup too. It's okay. This could have been a cool little entry spot right here. Man, yeah. I could see myself trying to jump in right here on this BA trade, and that would have worked out great. Man, why did this thing call out BA earlier? I don't have no calls on BA. This definitely should have been an opening range joint. It's all good. Yeah, BA might have been the only tradable thing that came across my site today. Okay. On. Did not quite make it to target yet. What did I say? 91. So we needed 80 cents. Probably 82 cents. So it would have been 72. Yeah, that thing would have came. Then 3 cents of target. Unless I played it smart and put my nah, I don't think I would have. Yeah, I'd still be looking for pre-market high. I probably would have put it at 89 or 73. It's still going though. Just came back to retest that same level again. Best trades look like trading book setups, yeah. Hey, what's up, Joe? Brad, what's going on, guys? MULN. Yeah. Man, we moved up so aggressive pre-market, man. Those ones look scary to me. All these small cap stocks look scary to me. You guys are a brave breed. I've just been abused by small caps so much, man. When I see them, I'm just like, ooh. What's up, Joe? You trade, man? What you got going on? HH Trader. Man. What's up, HH? My guy. market look like it's taking its. I don't know what the market's doing. It's under VWAP though. And Tesla is above the opening range. Yeah, man, I ain't trading anything today, guys. I just I didn't see anything that was ideal for me. So I just sat here and we just talked about the charts. I think Ben had a good trade on, what was that? IBRX. Signature had a nice trade on Shop. What's Shop doing right now? Down. On ain't finished. On is going to be my imaginary trade of the day if it goes to pre-market high. I don't know. You got some people that like to trade, get in a trade right before market close. I would imagine most of them are just waiting for a price level to be reached.
ALB.
Yeah, I guess it just depends on what time frame they like to enter on. I would think pre and post market would give good entries because you get the confirmation. Like I would be wanting to wait for the confirmation on the daily, and then I feel that HH. Yeah, it looked real undecided today, and I mean that's pretty much what the SPY's been doing, bouncing up and down over VWAP. Well, you could put a limit, or you'd have to put a limit order in.
MET.
If the market's closed, you'd have to get in with a limit order. No, you just put your orders in, man. You find the price level you want, and you get the price that you want to get in at, and you put your orders in. Put your orders in. I don't know. I'm sure everybody's different. Yeah, but I mean, when I'm in a swing trade, I'm on my phone all day checking it out. That's why I don't like swing trading. I'm glued to my phone, checking my position constantly. Nah, you can't use stop limit orders. It has to be a limit order.
HWM. UMBF.
So, if you're not waiting for a dip, like if you're waiting for price to break through, then you would have to wait for a market open. But, if you're waiting for it to pull back to your price, then you can put in a limit order. Like the last couple swing trades I made, I think it triggered on the daily, and then I just looked back at the last level of support that I thought price could come down and get me and bounce, and then I put a limit order in there, and I think it picked me up in pre-market, or maybe at the market open, on a dip at the market open. Yeah, I know, bro. That's why it just ain't for me, man. It's just a swing trading. I really feel like I could do well, though. I don't know. Maybe I should just do smaller positions. And swing trading. Yeah, I don't know, man.
RDDT.
That's what's up. RDDT. What was that? It's not bad looking.
OM.
Yeah. Swing trading just feels so much easier because you're not in the moment of the candles forming. You know, you're looking at daily setups and weekly setups. It's so chill, man. You can do it when the market's closed. You know, you're not like
LB.
so much less anticipation. Everything's moving so much slower. Then a nice entry right there, eh? Well, folks, when did I start streaming? Actually, forget when did I start streaming. I've only had, this will be my second day since I started trading. We're talking 2 years. I started trading in 2020. In March of 2020. And I've only had one day before today that I sat here at the market and looked at charts and I had buying power and I didn't take a trade. So this is this is a momentous day in regards to discipline, not seeing an A+ setup. I saw some stuff, man. I definitely saw some stuff that I normally would have taken. A few things would have worked out and a few things would have gotten me stopped out. But I definitely saw some things that I would have liked to have taken.
BIDU.
So, wow. I think this is like a very special day. It's a very special day today. Got 40 seconds until my alarm goes off and says, I know, right? Achievement unlocked. What would we call this achievement? Man, Domino's did you dirt. What did it turn back around? Ah, man. Yeah, that's the worst, bro. When your idea was right, but your timing was wrong. And then you sitting there with your big red and you watching it go up. Alright, that was my no trade timer. Dang.
RDDT.
Turn off my scanner because we don't need that no more. Dang. I remember the first time it happened too. The first time I didn't trade. It was a serious level up moment. Like, I had since fallen, but I feel like the next few days after that moment, I was more patient. I was okay. I'd actually been thinking of a punishment for myself for breaking rules is to have to sit the next day out. You had that resistance line drawn from your last entry, or you drew it after you got out? Cause bruh, you got to keep that stop loss below the resistance line, man. Are you talking about some resistance or support? Anyway, Yeah, man. Feeling good. No trade today. Interesting. Didn't lose any money. uh, but yeah, I mean, the SPY was pretty crappy today. Everything pretty much except for Apple. Except for Apple, everything pretty much just kind of faked out. Moved up a little bit, then moved way down. Or like Tesla just kind of kept consolidating, going up, going back down, playing on both sides of VWAP. Tesla might be. No, I don't like this top tail right here. This is just for discussion. That top tail rejection right there, I don't like that. On high volume too. Yeah, I don't like that. Oh, you draw it on the 1-day chart. On the daily. Wow. Doesn't look like on is gonna make it either. The chain and whip strategy. Yeah, I have yet to implement that. I actually kind of reward myself because I be sad after a red day and I go get something that I like to eat. I go have a pity meal. Oh man. Yeah. That actually, yeah, making myself not trade would be painful too. Trader rehab. Yeah. Hmm. I can't believe I didn't take any trades today, man. You want to see my nasty month in review? Look at that thing. Full disclosure. Some of these red days are cool, but these $100+ red days are just like tragic. And most of my green days are like not that big. I got this nice 185, 148, 94, but these red days are just monstrous, man. This is my win percentage for the month. Quite atrocious. But look at that win loss. That this has always been my strong suit. My profit ratio. But yeah, man, down 379.12 on the month. When I get this thing right, this thing is gonna work magic. And the only thing that's been missing is my discernment. Because literally, almost all of my trades, it's got to be 90%. I'm going to go in and actually put they have pretty cool criteria on here where you can put the rules you break. And so I can actually see how many of these losing trades were because of rule breaks and how many of them are just failed setups. And I'm like pretty sure that all of them are rule breaks. So today is a huge step towards discernment and working on this and just staying out of the bad stuff. Yeah, I'm just hoping, man, next month be a cool month, man. Nah, bro, I can't. This winning percentage is unacceptable, bro. Bruh, if I can't do no better than that, we gotta close this joint down. Yeah, that's true too. But I just wasn't really many winners running. Like I had a lot of these trades probably were not a lot of them, but definitely some of them were winning trades that I was holding my breath for a move past 2R, and I didn't get them, and I didn't move my stop up or anything, and just ended up stopping out of a winning trade. See, that's why I got to put in all those details, because instead of guessing at them, I'm pretty sure TradeZilla can show me all that data that I'm talking about as far as what trades I let turn into losers and such. But I also wanted to track what trades I took out at 2R actually went to 3R or more. 'Cause 3R honestly is the profit target I want more than anything. Like 2R is cool, but one trade wiping out 3 losers is like awesome. Two R I can get out. I can get profit out before the dip. 3R you always gotta sit through a pullback. Almost always, unless you get a really good narrow range entry. But I don't know, man. I've definitely seen opportunities where I could have cut my losses, but I just got to think about moving my stop up past my original stop loss. It bothers me. Yeah, 3-1 is the best, man. I really like that the most. Like, it would almost honestly be worth not even taking trades unless I see a 3-1 opportunity. Yeah, I feel that too. Yeah, HH trades the small caps, man. Hey, Signature, you still in here? Like Tesla made that bounce. I don't know. I would have wanted it back down here, though. But this is the top of the range where I like to buy stuff. I just want VWAP to line up with it. And this doesn't really seem like an adequate retracement for this kind of move up. But it did kind of consolidate right here. This rejection is kind of scary for me, though. Be interesting to see it go past that high, 190.26. You try dominoes again? Where, though? This was the place to try dominoes again. You tried it up here at VWAP. Where'd you get in at, man? Come on and tell me. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Huh. Yeah, see, this candle right here turned me off a lot on volume too. I'll be surprised if it gets back over 190.26. Your dip, you seem like you bought some nice dips though, Ben. You just jump out the trade quick. Tesla look nice on the 5 though. Oh, I got you. On still holding up from that entry level too. Couple places to add. It's a trap. Nah, I feel it, man. I feel it. I would honestly, yeah. I think over 190.26 would be nice. There it is. All right. I bet we see 192 now. Well, 190.80 is still a significant level, but yeah, I think we see 192 HH. I think this was a good bounce. The only red flag I saw was this guy right here, but this ain't too crazy. Let's see. We get over 190.80. I think we got 192 in the bag. 190.74. But if we reject it right here at 190.80, it's a wrap. Man, bro, Ben, I don't know, man. You came in real negative today, man. It seemed like you was determined. I feel like you manifested your red day today, bro. Or you know what? Maybe you should have just went with your feeling and stayed out, bro. Maybe that was my bad. All right, yeah, bro. Look at Tesla, man. I think we got 192 in the bag. This was the bounce right here off of the opening range. Yup. You wanted a red day. Rejection incoming. All right, we're gonna see HH. Back to 187. We gonna see. I think we got 192 in the bag first. It might go back there later, but I think we got pre-market highs. Pre-market highs 192.50. Yeah, bro. This might be the rejection right here, though. But I think we got pre-market high. Pre-market high next. Look at On, man. My paper trade of the day, On. 73 is 2R from this candle. Pre-market high is the best target at 94. Yeah, bro, this was the one. This joint right here. Yeah, you've been rolling for a minute, man. Back over 190, 112. We good to go for 192. AMD working out too. I think I just wanted Amazon up to VWAP, and AMD I wanted to 161. On I wanted to pre-market highs. All right, now it's looking a little rejectable here. HH, what's up, Jack? Bruh, you see that right there, man? I didn't do anything. 15-minute wins again. Let me check this 15-minute chart out, bro. Nah, Jack, I ain't do anything today, man. I just sat here and watched, man. I wanted to trade. I wanted to trade a few things, but they weren't A+ for me. And for the first time in a long time, I was able to pass it up, man, and just let it go. Just let it go. What did we get on 78? Come on. I think On got pre-market high in the bag. I still feel good about Tesla. All right, Ben. Thanks for hanging out with us, man. Tomorrow green, baby. All right, HH, this ain't over. This ain't over. Coming for 192. All right, I'm taking 80% off at 192 and holding the rest for 192.47. It's a trap. I know. I'm just. I'm telling you, man. We about to get over 191.12, and that's a wrap. There we go. Dun, dun, dun. I shouldn't be fighting the higher time frame either, but it ain't over yet. We might just need to pull back to this guy right here. We got some nice volume sitting right here. Hey, On is still pushing, baby. Look at that paper trade. On is still pushing. We going for 70.93 is target. Nah, we'll do 70.89. 70.89 target on. I'm going for 191.89. Nah, 191.93 on Tesla. I'm about to beat HH, yo. We over high of day, man. High of day was 190.80. Don't let the market move up from here, too. See, this level right here, this level that I draw, it's so crazy because I feel like I made this up. But this opening range that's created by the opening candle, man, like, came back to test it here, came back, held it right there, then it tested through, and then we got a nice little setup right here. It's a lower low, but it's back to yesterday's close. Imagine buying right there, bro, and riding that joint all the way up. 171 would be short profit target. Alright, we're gonna see, man. If it breaks below 188.61 before going to 192, I'll take the L. But I'm still feeling good about 192, bro. Let me change this thing to the 15 so I can see what you're seeing too. Show is taking a long time to figure out what it wants to do here. Dang. It ain't over. What's y'all's votes? 187 or 192? What y'all think? Okay. Okay. Is that another new high of day? 191.27. Let's close up top, and we got a new 5-minute candle starting. Look at that 5 setup right there, boy. Hey. Y'all see that? 191.40. I'm looking for 191.93 to take out my first leg of my imaginary trade. 191.72. Yeah, I'm just trying to get 93. 191.93. Boom, we out. Let's go. All right, I'm saving 20% for pre-market high 192.47. Stop loss at 189.84. There's my stop. 192.31. What's happening? Hey, all I need is 47. High is 192.40. $36.40. Yo, I'm moving my stop up. Right underneath high of day. Right underneath 191. Where we at? High is 55, baby. We out. We out. We out. Hey. Hey. Oh man, keep it rolling. Count up the loot, baby. got the vision out here, like. Hey, look at that on paper trade too, yo. Pre-market high was 94. There it is. Yo. Yo, man. My paper trades was on point today, bro. Yo. It's still going. Still going. Clean out the ship. Why do the I know, bro. I'm a paper trade millionaire, boy. But that level, man, I'm telling you, bro, that opening range level, look at it, right? This high volume comes in, creates that level right there, tested it here, broke above, came back, tested it again, and blat out. That's why I love that trade, man. It's almost like to the point where I don't even need to worry about VWAP. Like, cause like this on trade, man. This joint came down, tested that right there, and just like splat out. That's what's up. Oh, it's all in good fun, bro. Yeah, you know, I've really been tempted to just take VWAP off, but I've watched it so long, man. I like having it there. Yo, on just traded over pre-market highs. That was the one to take, man. That's cool though. I got to some nice call outs for the day, man. That feels good. I didn't get to make any money today, but I feel good about these two call outs, man. That's nice. You know. Almost feel as good as making some money. That's funny. Hey man, y'all hit the like button, man. We on fire today. We on fire today. That's fun. Had to short squeeze HH Trader out of there. HH got caught in the squeeze. That's funny. Yeah, bro. That's why I like trading these large caps, man. But I could definitely see the appeal of catching $1 to $2 a share on a small cap because your stop loss is probably like 20 cent, 10 cent. You catch a couple dollars on that, like good lord. I find them every now and then. Super narrow range trigger bar. Man. All right, y'all. I've been trying to stick to ending the stream 30 minutes after my my trade close time, so I can have a productive day after. But yeah, man. Today was a win for discipline and a win for paper trading. I'll probably do a little review video just to kind of talk about this no trade day and what the market's doing, man. And maybe let's see, what's this SPY look like on the daily? It's not bad, man. I'm curious to see how it closes, but we might be doing all right, man. Really hoping for a nice bull run soon, but anyway, appreciate you guys stopping by as always, man. Always a good time, man. Hit that like button for me on your way out, and I'll check y'all later, man. Peace.